Welcome to Gold Burmese Language Channel. I'm going to talk about today lesson 2 is 10 most common Burmese words. You can use these words when you want to express your feeling. So, let's start our lesson 2. Number 1, hot. Hot is bude. Bude. So please again, bude. Next one, number 2, cold. Cold is ere. Ere. Repeat again. Cold, ere. Okay, next one, number 3, love. Love is chitte. Love, chitte. Okay, repeat again. Chitte. Okay, next words. Number 4, hate. Hate is mone. Again, mone. Hate. Mone. Okay, please try. Next one. Number 5, happy. Happy is pyaw-de. Pyaw-de. Okay, again, happy, pyaw-de. Okay, next words. Number 6, unhappy. Unhappy is Ma-pyaw Bu. Ma-pyaw Bu. Okay, I will say again. Ma-pyaw Bu. Unhappy, Ma-pyaw Bu. Next one. Number 7, set. Set is 180. 180. Okay, again, set. 180. Next one. Number 8, smile. Smile is pyaw-de. Pyaw-de. Okay, again, smile. Pyaw-de. Next one. Number 9, understand. Understand is Nar Lae-Tae. Nar Lae-Tae. Okay, again, Nar Lae-Tae. Next one. Number 10, I don't understand. I don't understand means Kyun-Taw Nar-Malae-Bu. Kyun-Taw Nar-Malae-Bu. In this number 10 words, I means Kyun-Taw or Zama. If you are male, you can say as like that, Kyun-Taw Nar-Malae-Bu. If you are female, you can say Zama Nar-Malae-Bu. So, I will say again. If you are male, I don't understand. Kyun-Taw Nar-Malae-Bu. If you are female, I don't understand. Zama Nar-Malae-Bu. Okay? Please don't forget to express your feeling with Myanmar language. I will coming back to you the next lesson step by step. Hope you enjoy with Gold channel. Please follow me, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Kyae-Zuu-Tin-Partae. Kyae-Zuu-Tin-Partae.